the thing is I always get it opposite. I wish I never have opposite.
So what you wish for?
When I was a child, teenage, my country, everything was opposite. No light to study, no peace. And then I write the diary. I call myself a Princess Diary. Do you ever hear the other person? Princess Diary. And every time I wish him the good things, I write diary. I love the diary. And then I say I'm willing, I'm finishing university, and then I already wish it the job, the way I'm going to university. And
So
I
what?
wish it to be perfect, wife, perfect mom. So only my thing is finishing the university. The second thing is have job.
To have a job.
Yeah, to dream I'm behind. Even I'm supposed to be a first job.
So your first dream?
Is finish university,
Okay.
work, have money, house and everything, marriage.
And be the
children.
best mother
Yeah.
that you can be, and the best wife.
Thank you, Stan.